blizzard. Look at the speed of the wind. Woo! My windshield wipers are not working. Well, good morning everyone. Haven't seen you for a long time. I'm not gonna tell you where we are. I'm just gonna show you all the snow and all the cars. You would be able to guess where we are.
Hello.
Julia is excited. Time is 7 a.m. She decided to surprise me for Valentine's Day at 7 a.m. for someone who loves sleeping until like 11. So let's see what surprise she got for me and try to guess the country by this scenery. So as you may have figured already, Julia got me a nice gift, one of the best experiences in my life. We came to dog sled farm, if you want to call it so. And what's interesting is they have 83 dogs. Well, some of them of course are retired, but others not. And there's different types of huskies, mostly Alaskan husky.
I have Canadian husky.
Canadian husky?
Yes.
Canadian husky. Either way, this is gonna be very cool, as you will see in the next scenes. Let's go and play with this beautiful creatures that take away the anxiousness from us, all the stress, all the anxiety, and they only bring you the best moments and emotions in your life. You ready, Yulia?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go pet them.
Her name is Shiksha. Yes. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Alright.
Yes.
Hello.
Very soft. Hey.
Oh, yeah. Hi.
They're very soft, right?
Yeah, very nice.
Elle n'est pas si pire, mais elle est vraiment très nerveuse. Donc quand on voit qu'elle ne veut pas s'approcher, souvent... Okay, Diatec!
Hi. buddy. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Yes, yes. Like scratches, huh? Yes. You like it? Scratches? You like scratches? Hi everyone, today we're in Montreal and we will be shortly stepping into the Canadian winter. It looks pretty brutal out there. The weather tells me that it feels like minus 20 Celsius, and we decided to go and walk around the city, explore Montreal. This is my first time in winter in Montreal. You know, before coming here I thought Boston is brutal, but for the past 5 to 7 years with the global warming we don't get as much snow, but of course it's nothing to compare to Canada and the Canadian winter. See, all the cars are struggling through the snow. So let's go out there and see how it is. How is it?
It's amazing.
You have a great outfit for this weather.
It's a true winter.
Yeah, a lot of snow, and what surprises me even more, I give a lot of credit to the people who drive small sedans with like only front-wheel drive. I understand when you have an SUV with all-wheel drive or a pickup truck, but like people who drive small sedans with front-wheel drive, including myself, I give you lots of credits. Oh, there's a BMW with a rear-wheel drive just now passed by. You see, someone saved the parking spot so nobody takes it. I mean, look at this car. You think this guy's driving to work tomorrow on Monday? Oh my god, look at that. That's a lot of snow. So this guy, next time he drives his car, is probably late April or May. This one got a big SUV, which should be all set. Struggling. Yeah! Audi Quattro. I don't think our car was expecting this when coming to Canada. Oh, it's not the worst.
It is.
On the back it's bad, look. Half of the car is gone. Whew. Well, this is a real Canadian winter. Just as we expected, right?
Not really.
Come on, you were excited earlier. Whew. Put on her skiing goggles because the wind is crazy. We're trying to make our way to the old town to see the Notre Dame, but it's only 10 minutes away according to GPS, but the struggle is at a different level. The blizzard, look at the speed of the wind. Look, it's like a tunnel. Look. Wow. Wait, don't go. Give it some time. That's a powerful wind. He made it. Alright, looks like we made it. Woo.
I'm cold.
We're continuing our winter walk through the snowy streets of Montreal, and we're slowly making our way to this old center. And guess what? I have good news for you. I think you found it. It's behind this corner, look. Am I right? This is it?
Yes. Saint Paul.
Saint Paul.
I stare at my reflection. I don't recognize myself. I'm too numb to feel the pain. Too numb to feel a thing. You watch me bleed. I hope you leave and don't come back, 'cause I'm cold.
Julia, so a few comments.
Real winter.
You know why I'm not commenting? Half of my eyes cannot see. You see how I got snow? My windshield wipers are not working. But this is great. It doesn't get any more wintry and magical than this, especially when you're in Canada. Well, one thing I could definitely comment on is you can see the colonial style influenced buildings in the city old center. So Julia just told me I look like a husky because of all the snow. You know what? I'm gonna try to be like a husky and shake off myself.
You look like Canadian Eskimo.
Canadian Eskimo, exactly. Oh, show all the ice that you showed me. See all the ice hanging from the roof? Woo!
Very cinematic.
It is very cinematic, and I hope it doesn't fall on someone's head. Mini break to warm up. Check out the amount of snow on the highway. Woo. This is the next day. We just checked out, carrying the luggage. The sidewalks are not cleaned, but it's mostly the wind. Even when they clean it, the wind gusts are still bringing the snow from the roof. Woo! Fun stuff. Fun Canadian vacation. A lot of snow. There is my car after 2 days being on the parking lot. At least I can see it, that's a good sign. Yeah, I'll try to get out. Do you want to drive, get it out? Oh. No, I was saying at least we can see it. That's a good news. I think I'm gonna ask the parking guy if he got a snow shovel to shovel it out. So apparently our car is under the snow and we need to clean it. Let's go. No, thanks to the guys, the parking guy and then the other guy, they helped us to clean up my car. Honestly, people are great here. They're all very helpful. I didn't have the snow shovel. I had high expectations for my car. For some reason, it's only front wheel drive. It's a Volkswagen Jetta and I thought it's gonna get out, but no. Canadian winters are not for Volkswagen Jettas. Today is day number 3 in Canada. Yeah, day number 3. The first day we went and did the dog sled thing, right? With the Huskies. And then yesterday we had other interesting plans, but unfortunately due to the weather they got cancelled, so we decided to walk in the old city. As you saw already, the weather, it was the best for Canada but not the best for recording. And then today we just cleaned up the car. We're gonna go have breakfast and head back home. Look at the snow. Literally the sidewalk is not clean. It's just like 1 to 2 foot deep. Canada is not for beginners. I said Canada is not for beginners. This is the old town of Montreal. Yesterday it was difficult to see it because of the blizzard. Today it's sunny but very, very windy and cold. What is this? A souvenir store?
Yes, yesterday.
Oh, that's this building with the ice on the top. The other one.
Yeah.
Careful. I mean, it's beautiful, but need to watch out for that ice. Okay everyone, hope you enjoyed this vlog as well. Yesterday was a blizzard. I tried to record as much as possible so that you can see Montreal. Hopefully today the clips were more cleaner, my videos, and hopefully you enjoyed it more. There's a lot more to explore in Canada. This was just a little mini part of Canada. Basically, we were here for 3 days that we tried to share with you our experience and everything we did here. So please subscribe to my channel. I never say this, but my channel hasn't been growing for some time. That will be very helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, wait for more. I always try to put an interesting content out there for you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.